Hello, hello, hello everybody, and welcome back to question 4 on the 2008 Pascal paper. In the diagram, JLMR and JKQR are rectangles. Also, JR is 2, RQ is 3, and JL is 8. What is the area of KLMQ? This guy here is also a rectangle. Now we can say, well, it's obvious from the picture, but the diagrams are not always drawn to scale, so things that look true sometimes aren't. But if JLMR is a rectangle, we get a bunch of right angles here. And if JKQR is a rectangle, then we get right angles there, and therefore we get some right angles here. And so this is a rectangle. Okay? Now they're asking for the area of KLMQ. And so, well, how do we figure out the area of a rectangle? We need the length times the width. That's it. That's all there is to it. KLMR. And I think there was a Q here, and I genuinely don't remember what that top was. Was it a P? Oh, sorry. It's JK. Okay. JKLMQR. Okay, we're good. All right, so 2 and 3. Now, what we'd really like is this length here and this length here. But JKQR is a rectangle, which means these two sides are going to be the same length, too. And, okay, well, what else can we do? Well, we know JL is 8, but it's a rectangle, so we know the opposite side also is 8. Now, RM is 8, RQ is 3, so what's left over? A 5. And now we have the other side that we need. So, KLMQ has area of 2 times 5, or 10. Okay, not so bad. Another way we could do the question is say, well, JL... Here, let's... Just talking another way to do it. I just realized we could sort of say, well, KLMQ is, we'll use some color here. He's this rectangle here, is this red area. But he's also the big rectangle, this purple rectangle, if you subtract off this sort of orangey area. So he's the big rectangle, JLMR, minus the small rectangle, JKQR. And I have dimensions for both of those. JLMR is a 2 by 8. JKQR is a 2 by 3. This is the information they actually gave me. So that's 16 minus 6, and we get 10 a different way. So there's 2 ways we could do the question. You'll probably only do one, but it's important to be able to say, well, we could figure out lengths, or we could view one rectangle as a difference in the areas of 2 others. So we've got 10 here, and that's going to be an answer of C. So we would bubble that in. And I don't have enough space for 5, so we're going to flip the page and get ready for question number 5. I will see you for that next time.